So Mercedes GLB 2024 for DashCams and Ghost 2. I'm just going to show you the back camera here. So through here, there is the rear camera just at the top. Go around, I'll show you the front camera and then I'll show you the Ghost. There's the front camera. These are 1080p G-on X's, which are this model here. So in terms of the Ghost, if I go to start the vehicle will start up as normal. If I go to drive it with no password, it will shut the vehicle down. I'm just going to simply restart the engine. And I'm just simply going to put the password for the vehicle, which is just in here. I'll get 2 flashes of indication, as you can see, and then I can now drive the vehicle. If you'd like something like this installed on your vehicle, give us a call, 0208 554 5554.